CNC drilling and milling machine for aluminum and upvc profiles drilling, milling groove. Round hole and special shaped hole processing, adopt high-speed motorized spindle with speed of 18,000 RPM. High precision servo motor, linear guide rail and ball screw, high machining precision and fast speed. The dual-spindle CNC drilling and milling machine adopts advanced programmable CNC system, which can recognize the input CAD drawings and process them automatically. Two spindles can hold milling cutters or drills of different diameters to process holes and slots of different diameters, as well as holes and slots of different shapes such as keyholes and keyholes. It reduces the time to change the knife and improves the work efficiency. The table can be turned 0 degrees, plus 90 degrees and minus 90 degrees, and the three faces of the profiles can be processed at one time, which greatly improves the processing efficiency. Can be customized according to customer requirements of different lengths, different processing range of equipment. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you want more details and information, please contact us. We will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.